If I wanted to quit my job in 2026, I would follow the exact steps I'm going to share with you in this video. But why should you listen to me? My name's Fred, and I've made up to $2,600 in profit in a single day selling info products and coaching online. The first piece of advice I'd like to give you is contrary to what a lot of people have told you. Don't quit your job until the income you make with your business has replaced the income you make with your job. I know lots of business gurus will tell you, burn all the bridges. If you don't quit your job, you're not committed. Or quit your job so you've got the time to build a business. But honestly, I think it's pretty fucking out of touch advice. Because if you have a job, you're most likely somebody who is in their 20s, 30s, 40s, and you probably have a family already. So if you do, you have other people depending on you, especially if you've got kids. So telling someone, just quit your job, build your business, it is a bit irresponsible, because if you have to put food on the table every day, you can't just be like, okay, fuck it, I'm quitting my job. I have no other alternative source of income, but hey, I'm quitting my job. I'm following my dreams. I'm building my business. And you don't have to. That's the good news. I know a lot of people have this limiting belief that if they work a job, they don't have the time to start a business. But that is not necessarily the case. You have enough time. And to give you actual examples, most of the people I've actually worked with, they were already working jobs when they started. They were working full-time, 35 hours a week, all the way to 80 plus hours a week, 7 days a week. Yet, these people still found a way to make time to build their business. There's always a way. Even if you only start with 1 hour a day, if you had all day, sure, it'd be great, but you don't. And you're never going to magically have all the time that you want. It's not going to happen. So if you work a job currently, you're going to have to sacrifice maybe 1 hour a day or 1 hour every other day that you won't be able to spend watching Netflix. But that is the price of your dreams. Or if you want, you can just sacrifice the dream, but then you will always be unhappy and miserable and hate your life. Is that what you actually want, seriously? If you don't make the time now, you never will. I can't tell you how many times I heard people tell me, oh, but I will start my business in, April or March when I get a bonus, or when I've got more time, or when I'm not on vacation, or when my kids are back with their mom, or whatever if they're divorced. And all these things are just excuses. You will never have more time. And what you don't realize right now, if you are making these excuses, is that something else might come up. If you think, oh, I'll be ready to start next month, something worse might fucking come up. So it's either you're gonna make the time, or you won't. But if you don't make the time, don't complain that you're still stuck in a job that you hate 10 fucking years from now. With that said, if you want to get my help personally, you can check out the resources in the description below when you're done watching this video. You will find a free training, but you also have the option to book a free strategy call with me directly. And on that call, I'm personally gonna look at your situation and give you a custom roadmap, a custom step-by-step plan, so you can start or scale your consulting high-ticket course membership business. Now, I've got to be honest with you, I do these calls myself, so I've got very limited time and availabilities each day. So when you're done watching this, definitely click on that link and book your free strategy call before the spots are gone. First come, first serve. You know how this works. The other piece of advice I'd like to give you, if you want to quit your job now in 2026, is that you need to forget about traditional investing advice, for now at least. Why? Because it's too slow, and the other thing is that you don't have enough capital for your investments to be meaningful at this stage. If you make $40,000 a year, if you invest, $1,000 a year, you're gonna get 10% a year return. Okay, great. But that's $100 on your $1,000. And yes, it compounds, but do you want to just keep working that job you hate and retire at 80 years old? And then when you're too old to do all the things that you want, finally you can enjoy life. It makes no fucking sense. What you need to do instead is do exactly what I did. You start an info product business, meaning you sell information, you sell a transformation. You can sell online courses, coaching, a high-ticket course, you can sell monthly memberships. But these are the things that will make you a fuck ton of money while you do the thing that you love. They won't give you financial freedom, geographical freedom, and fulfillment. Because so many people just obsess over the money. I can't even tell you how many people I speak to on a daily basis, or in the emails and stuff, people who reach out to me. So many people want to do AI automation or whatever the fuck, building an AI chatbot. But they don't care about that. They just want to do it for the money. But if you just try and do something for the money, it is pretty fucking miserable. Because it's exactly the same thing as working a job you hate just for the money. When in reality, you can make money in a business selling the thing you're passionate about, your knowledge, the thing that you love talking about, your passion, the thing you love doing, and make just as much money, if not more money, than the people who just do certain businesses for the money. And so many people just hop on trends. Like for example, right now AI is the trend, selling AI chatbots, AI services, AI automation, or whatever the fuck, and people think that is what's gonna make them rich. They don't realize it's yet another shiny object. And because it's trending right now, it also means that you're not the only one thinking that, oh, I need to do this. It means every other ship is flocking to that so-called opportunity, so there's massive competition rising constantly, and guess what's gonna happen? In that crowd of fucking sheep, there's gonna be 1 or 2 or 3 very talented guys. They love AI, they breathe AI, it's their whole being. Well, guess what? These 2-3 guys are gonna fuck everyone else, because they love what they do. While you're still gonna be stuck making $100 a month, if even that. Most people don't make any money at all, wondering why it's not working for you. And you think it's because your chatbot doesn't have this functionality or whatever. No, it's not. It's because you're not focusing on doing what you need to be doing, which is selling an info product on the thing that you love. And if you just take a look at every business guru on the internet, what do they all have in common? They always sell info products. Yes, maybe they're doing some AI automation thing too. Yes, maybe. But they make most of their money from selling how to do the AI automation thing. Why? Because it's an informational product, an info product. And these kinds of products, high-ticket courses or regular courses, monthly memberships, this is where the money is made. And you can do this on literally any topic. It always blows people's minds when I show them some guys make 20K per month teaching other people how to get better at Counter-Strike. It's a video game. It's insane when you think about it. $20,000 a month teaching people how to play a video game. And he's not famous, he doesn't have millions of followers at all. There's another guy, Sam, he makes 20K per month as well, teaching people how to paint. That is pretty insane. Like a few decades ago, you would have never been able to do that without social media. Social media has revolutionized the way we make money, the way we live. So nowadays, not only can you do the thing that you love and be paid extremely well for it, you can also be paid a lot for it. And there's no better life than just doing the thing that you love and getting paid so damn much for it. And yes, any beginner can start selling a course, a high-ticket program, or an info product. Why? Because you probably already have knowledge right now. And even if right now you don't think you've got knowledge on something specific, well, you have a passion, don't you? You've got interest, don't you? Now, how do we get customers? There's different ways to get customers, but typically there's 2 main categories. There's free ways that cost us our time and paid ways that cost us our money. They both have their pros and their cons, and in an ideal world, every business needs to be doing both, because that's where you get the pros of one and the pros of the other. But you're probably busy, you work a job, you probably have a family to take care of, so you don't have that much time right now. So if you've got more money than time, aka you have a job or you have an existing business that makes you money, use your money to make you more money. And I'm not talking about slowly investing in the stock market over the course of decades. I'm talking about investing in paid advertising specifically. So you can go straight to paid ads without making content as long as you can spend some money. So if you have a job, I would suggest maybe just go straight to paid ads instead of just randomly posting YouTube videos, which at first you won't be good at, because it's a skill you have to learn. I've made thousands of videos over the course of honestly, I don't even know, 5-6 years. So I put in a lot of reps. I built that skill over many years. You don't have that if you're just getting started. But also be careful, because if you try to do this alone, you will most likely fail miserably. Why? Because ads are expensive and can make you lose a fuck ton of money if you don't know what you're doing. That's why you need to invest in yourself. You need to go find a mentor. It can be me, it can be someone else, whoever, doesn't matter. Find a mentor who's doing what you want to do, who's got the kind of results you want to have. Pay them, learn from them, and you will avoid so many mistakes, years of your life that you would otherwise waste in the wrong opportunities, falling for shiny objects, or not knowing exactly what to do. If right now you've got no one to look at exactly what you're doing and guide you in the right direction, how are you going to do it? How are you ever going to be successful? You won't, because it's too fucking difficult to do it alone. Everything that I do today, I didn't just come up with it myself. I learned it from mentors who made far more money than me. The sales script, the sales method that's made me up to $2,600 in a single day. The same script and the same method that made me my first 10K in a month. At 22, I didn't just invent it, I learned it from people who were more successful than me. And I've done hundreds of sales calls with beginners, more advanced business owners, and I can tell you one thing. All the people who just refuse to invest in themselves because they think courses are a scam, because they think, oh, you shouldn't pay someone, you should figure it out on your own. These people are always poor. They're always either not making any money or stuck in jobs they hate, barely making any money, and at the same time, they have a profile picture of a Lamborghini because they want to make more money, but they won't even invest money in themselves to make more money. Like, do you see how just stupid it is? That is why they're poor. Because if they can't even invest in themselves, well, they're never gonna learn. And if right now you knew how to make 10k per month or 100k per month, you would be doing it already. You're not at that level yet because you don't know how to do it. That's the truth. With that said, if you want to get my help personally, you can check out the resources in the description below when you're done watching this video. You will find a free training, but you also have the option to book a free strategy call with me directly. And on that call, I'm personally going to look at your situation and give you a custom roadmap, a custom step-by-step plan so you can start or scale your consulting high-ticket course membership business. Now, I've got to be honest with you, I do these calls myself, so I've got very limited time and availabilities each day. So when you're done watching this, definitely click on that link and book your free strategy call before the spots are gone. First come, first serve. You know how this works. So ideally, you always want to run ads and make content. That way, you get the best of both worlds. The pros of content is that you don't need to pay to make the content. Like sure, you might need a camera, a microphone, but that's it. You can even start recording videos with an iPhone and a cheap $20 mic on Amazon. Initially, I literally had a cheap $20 mic. It didn't prevent me from getting sales and getting views. Nowadays, you can have like ridiculously good audio for less than $100. A few decades ago, that didn't even exist. A lot of people nowadays have an iPhone. It's got very, very good video quality. Use it. Like seriously, if you've got an iPhone, you basically have a $1,000 camera in your pocket. So use it. And even right now that I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit, my camera is like $300, $400. I bought it like, I don't even remember, like 5-6 years ago. I haven't switched it since then because it works great. It films in 4K. Why would I need, a $10,000 camera? I'm not trying to make Mr. Beast entertainment content. I'm trying to make content for high-ticket buyers. So ideally, if you can commit to running ads, which honestly sometimes people think it's like you have to put in hours every day. No, you don't. Like honestly, when your ads are working, you just need to check them for 30 minutes a day. Once you understand how ads work, you don't spend hours and hours and hours every single day just learning how to do it. Now, if you're at a super high level, yes, maybe, but that's not going to be the case for you. And then make one long form video per week on YouTube. That's it. If you do these two things, you will be making 6 figures, even 7 figures plus per year. Now, sometimes people ask, should I do short form content? Should I post shorts on YouTube, Instagram, etc., TikTok? Well, first I would say, don't post shorts on YouTube or TikTok. TikTok sucks ass to monetize. Like you're not going to get high ticket buyers from TikTok. And if you want to sell a low ticket membership, just run ads to it instead. Like TikTok is just fucking horrible. The only two good platforms are really YouTube and Instagram, with YouTube being the best like S tier option. One long form video a week on YouTube will beat posting 10 reels a day on Instagram. Like seriously. Because especially if you sell something high ticket worth at least a few $1,000s, people need to trust you to buy. And somebody will trust you a lot more if they watch one or a few, 20 to 40 minute long video of you that you make once a week, as opposed to watching a few clips on Instagram that are like 60 seconds long at best. Do you see how much less trust you build in a short? And on YouTube, shorts are a fucking waste because you can't even put a clickable link. I've gotten millions of views on YouTube shorts, and I'm telling you, they've never made me any fucking money. And if you think, oh, but surely they got you attention, right? You get all these short views, and then you push people to your long form content, and that's how you make money, right? Well, actually, no. If you have a YouTube channel, right now you can go in the analytics, look at the stats. You will see that most people who watch shorts, they don't watch long form videos. They keep watching the shorts. There's maybe like 10% or even less than that watches both longs and shorts. People who watch shorts, they want to watch more shorts. Like even Alex Hormozy did that experiment and he came up with this conclusion. People who watch shorts. People who watch longs. And people who watch long form videos are much more likely to buy stuff as opposed to people who just impulsively fucking scroll all day. Like that's the big difference. When somebody watches a long form video, they chose to click on it. They chose to stay and to watch it. Somebody who watches a short didn't choose to watch it. They're just like scrolling. It means nothing. And there's not even clickable links on YouTube. At least on Instagram, people manage to make money, even though it's with shorts, like reels, they're not like 10-minute longs or anything. But that's because they use a mini chat automation, they get people to comment a specific word, send them a free training, etc. That's how it works. But on YouTube, you can't do that. Now, there isn't just one strategy that's gonna work, but if you are an absolute beginner, one thing that you can do is start with a low ticket membership, like extremely cheap, and then on the back end of that, you sell a high ticket offer. Because in any market, there's 3 segments: beginners, intermediates, advanced. Even that guy I told you about, Sam, who makes 20K per month painting on School, SKOOL, is teaching other people how to paint. He has the 3 segments of the market covered. He charges, I think, $39 a month for beginners who want the course on how to paint. Then there's a mid-ticket version for intermediates. Basically, people can hop on one weekly call with him with the other members inside that intermediate tier. And then there's a higher tier for the top of the market. It's basically people paying him $1,500 a year, recurring for one-to-one coaching, I think once a month or something. So basically they just paint together. So when you've got 3 different offers, you appeal to every segment of the market. People who can afford a little bit and people who can afford a lot. And as you can see, like, this is the painting niche. Technically, if you want to sell something high ticket, you gotta solve a painful problem. But in any given market, even painting, even playing video games, even literally anything, you can always have the 3 segments, just like that. What I would recommend is that if you've got an expertise or knowledge that can solve a painful problem for someone, use that to start a high ticket offer. If you don't, then instead just start a low ticket monthly membership, let's say at $7 a month, then you increase it every month to get initial buyers. Like, it's easier to get a sale at $7 than $50, much easier. And then you'll tell Facebook, okay, look, these people are my buyers, and Facebook will find more of them. That's why it's genius to start with a very cheap membership, and then you increase the price, and then you implement these 3 different tiers with a very low ticket, a mid ticket, and a high ticket. Now, as you can see, there's so many different things you can do, and I know that can seem very, very confusing. That's why if you want me to help you figure out all this stuff, so you don't waste months, even years of your life, and tens of thousands of dollars trying to figure it out alone and inevitably making the wrong mistakes, because you will make mistakes if you try to do everything alone. I know I did. I regret it. I should have just invested in myself sooner. So don't be an idiot like me. Don't have a massive ego like me. Just fucking pay someone, learn, and make progress 1,000 times quicker. What a lot of my customers say is that they wish they had invested sooner with me. Because when you've got somebody who's doing this every day, who gives you a proven step-by-step roadmap, it is so much easier. Like, seriously. So if you want me to help you with that, check out the link in the description below. Apply to book a free one-to-one strategy call with me. I will personally be on that call, and I'm gonna analyze your situation, ask you some questions, and give you a custom step-by-step roadmap so you can start or grow your info product business and get more sales as quickly as possible. Now, in full transparency, since I take these calls myself, I only have very limited spots. So if you don't want to miss out on this, go click in the link in the description below right now. Book your free call, and I will see you on the call.